What a great way to clean those spots out of your carpet. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we're doing a review of this portable carpet spot cleaner. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. So when you own a lot of pets, these things are a must-have. Instead of having to pull out a full-size carpet scrubber or rent one, you can just use this little lightweight scrubber. And let me tell you, this thing works great. So Greg tested this out at his house, and it really got the job done. With this, you're going to get the carpet cleaner, the 2 cleaning head attachments, and some cleaning solution. Add water and the cleaning solution to the machine, and you're ready to clean. Make sure you vacuum your spots before you clean it to get rid of any loose dirt and fur, and then you can start washing. Turn on the machine, push the button, and water is going to squirt out of the cleaning head. Then you can just scrub back and forth to loosen the stain and distribute the water. The head is going to suck all that loose water and dirt and debris into the machine. Some stains might need more than one treatment, and if it's a fresh mess that just happened, you're going to want to dab up as much of it as you can with paper towels first. This did a really good job of getting those hairball spots out of Greg's carpet, and when you're done, all you have to do is empty the dirty water tank, and you're ready to use it again whenever you need it. Honestly, this thing is great. It worked great. It's lightweight. It has a really nice long hose. It has great suction power, and it can be easily used to clean your carpet, your rugs, your stairs, or even in your car. If you're looking for a great portable carpet cleaner for your home, we recommend this.